This is a brand new 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear window defroster, stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, a security system, fog lamps, roof rails, traction control, a keyless entry system, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Come experience the Drive Baby advantage here at the Milton Ruben Superstore.